Namaste YouTube, welcome to Cafe Noma and welcome to our first time single take honest reaction to Crowded House, and the song that we are going to listen to and react to today is It's Only Natural. It's Only Natural.
Never heard this song before. It's going to be a first time single take, pure, raw, unscripted, honest, impromptu and spontaneous reaction by Kirti and me. What this means is we are hearing this song for the first time. We have no clue about the background of this song. We have heard Crowded House in the past a couple of times, but we've not heard this song. So we don't do any research about the song or the lyrics prior to starting our reaction video. That is this recording that you see. It's a single take reaction video all the time. So you know exactly what we see, what we listen to is 100% what you're seeing and listening to too. So that is the experience we give every single time, which is quite unique because there are very few reactors on YouTube who do it as honestly and ethically as we do it, without pausing the song and without interrupting the flow of the music while listening to it. That is a given here on Enoma. We must and we always give the respect to the musician, at least as far as listening to the song goes, in one go. After that, based on the content, how we enjoyed the music, the lyrics, or didn't like it, whatever, we will obviously word our review based on those parameters. But that too will be unscripted. It will be in the moment. We are mindful reactors. In the moment, what we think, we will honestly say it without having any fear of what you think about what we say. So if you didn't like our reaction, you don't like this song, but we liked it a lot, that's your problem. You know, if we liked it, we'll say we liked it. And if we didn't like it, we'll say we didn't like it. And we'll also give reasons why we didn't like it in the time allotted. So that's what we do. Let's get started. Crowded House, It's Only Natural. It's only natural to make honest reactions on YouTube, but unfortunately, being natural is kind of like a taboo subject on this platform maybe. So no one else is doing
Not
it.
only this platform, even in the world it had become.
Even in the
Slowly it's
world
coming
right
back.
now with the coronavirus pandemic, it's highlighting how tainted and manipulated things are in the world right now. Let's get started.
Ice will melt, water will boil. You and I can shake off this mortal coil. It's bigger than us. You don't have to worry about it. Ready or not, here comes a drop. You feel lucky when you know where you are. You know it's gonna come true. Here in your arms I remember. It's only natural that I should want to be there with you. It's only natural that you should feel the same way too. It's easy when you don't try. Going on first impressions, man in a cage. He's made his confession now. You see me at my worst, and it won't be the last time I'm down there. I want you to know I feel completely at ease. Read me like a book that's falling down between your knees. Please let me have my way with you. It's only natural that I should want to be there with you. It's only natural that you should feel the same way too. It's circumstantial, it's nothing written in the sky, and we don't even have to try. And we'll be shaking like mud, buildings of glass, sinking to the bay. They'll be under the rocks again. You don't have to say, I know you're afraid. It's only natural that I should want to be there with you. And it's only natural that you should feel the same way too. circumstantial. It's something I was born to. It's only natural. Can I help it if I want to?
Yes, Kirti, what are your thoughts on this?
It's only natural. It's only natural. He's talking about falling in love naturally, not forcing yourself, not forcing the other person. It reminds me of Bruce Almighty and the scenes where he tries to influence her but doesn't work. Love cannot be forced on people. Love cannot be bought. It's only natural and it has to come in the natural way possible. At the end, he also is asking questions. Can I help it if I want to? Can I? You can't really do anything about it. If she wants, she will also fall in love with you. It's circumstantial, that is right. And it's only natural. If somebody likes you, you may not feel the same way for the opposite person. It may happen naturally. And if it does not happen, not there. Just not there. I like the way it was sung. It sounds like a love song. It is a love song. And the guitar was also very well played.
Yeah.
Gentle, mild, nice.
Beautifully sung, with a backup singer also singing along with the main vocalist in tandem most of the lines. Beautifully done, beautifully orchestrated. Music was nice, mellow, romantic and soft. It was soothing to listen to. It was nice to listen to. And lyrically, yes, it does highlight the definition of love that I've coined myself years ago out of a lot of experience of counseling clients and people from all over the world. Love is choosing to spend time with someone or something. So that's my definition of love. It's a choice. It's a personal choice at that. So any coercion, any manipulation does not work and will not work in the long run, or it will not be healthy for the relationship or the activity if you're forced to do it. Like many people sometimes are forced to work when their heart is not in that line of work. The results are seen. The quality of their craft is seen. If you talk about cheap quality products from a particular country such as China, you know what the reason those quality of those products is so cheap that they literally fall apart after just a few uses. You know, cheap plastic product, whether it's a pen drive or it's a phone or it's something else made of plastic, cheap labor used, and without the heart being in it, no passion in their craft, you see the results of it. And similarly in love, if you're forced to be with someone because of your friends, you know, peer pressure is very strong in the world we live in. So if you're forced to be with someone because of your friends or because of your parents or because of money or some other obligation, your relationship is bound to suffer or is bound to be unhealthy and is bound to have its own set of unique problems or challenges because of that. So this is a song that is highlighting that. He's saying it's only natural that I want to be with you because you're just amazing. I want to be my entire lifetime with you probably. And I hope you feel the same way too. It should be natural for you too.
That's important.
But that should be natural for her. That's up to her, obviously. So it's a good song, but repeating too much of the same thing didn't... lyrically, I felt it was repeating too much of the same thing. It should have added more substance. Why he was so naturally drawn to spend time with her or to want to be with her, and why she should also want to be with him. I think I didn't hear it properly maybe, or it just wasn't there in detail, substantial enough for me to notice it. So that's a small negative review for this song. Everything else about it is beautiful. I loved listening to it. It was soothing, it was romantic, it sounded heartfelt and genuine, and that's what you like in music. Most music, don't we all? Yeah, so that's about it for this one. You can check out our Patreon page to learn more about us and how we do reactions. It's all there, our intro video and you'll get to learn a bit about us through our profile as well. Link is in the description box below. It will definitely help you understand what we do here, because we are quite different from anyone out there. So if you think that our reviews will be like this particular vocal coach or that particular person from that country or that place or this profession, for us those things don't matter. For us it's purely about being honest, and unfortunately they are more focused on the taglines and the titles of their reaction videos than they actually are on their content, on keeping it heartfelt, genuine, pure, raw, honest and ethical as we do. And obviously the results can be seen. You have a very small intellectual group who connects with us, and we are very proud of associating with only them. And we have the rest of the people who go to the other places because they just can't connect with someone who's as honest and straightforward as both of us are. So that's it for this one.
Namaste YouTube, welcome to Cafe Noma and welcome to our reaction to Deborah Conway, and we are going to react to her song Alive and Brilliant. This is the first time listen to the artist as well as the song. This is how we do our reactions. We like to keep it pure, we like to keep it genuine, we like to keep it first time as much as possible, and this is the golden opportunity for us to listen to an artist for the first time in a lifetime.
This is the first time we are listening to this artist. Have we heard this
No,
artist
I don't
before?
remember.
It sounds like a female artist,
Yeah.
Deborah, with the name Deborah. So I don't think we have ever heard this artist before.
Never.
What's important to tell you, since we haven't heard the artist, probably you haven't watched our reactions. Some of you at least have never seen a reaction video on YouTube, or maybe it's the first time you're watching our reaction on
Tuning
YouTube,
in, yeah.
even if you know what a reaction is. To simplify it, first of all, what a reaction is one is that we listen to the song, and second, we share our views on the song that we just heard. So those are the two primary aspects of every single reaction video we make. Now, it's important to just share for a minute or so how we share our views. We share our views based on our own personal experiences, our professional experiences as counselors, online trainers, as well as in the past for 15 years or more offline to trainer, me at least. So we share our experience based professionally as teachers, counselors and life coaches. Beyond that, we have lengthy experience, both of us, in content creation, content writing for clients, as well as for our blogs that we used to create and sell to other clients around the world. So when we listen to music, what we like to do is, we obviously like to listen to good music. That's part of why we are here.
Yeah.
B, irrespective of whether it's good or not, that is obviously our choice, our perspective, our individual taste. We share our view on what we heard. That view is always pure, it's raw, it's unscripted. Now what these three words mean to you or to us is that we don't do research on the artist. Now we've never heard this artist before. So it doesn't mean we immediately go on Google or some other place and type Deborah Conway and find out everything that is there online about her. We don't do that. We don't have the time for it. That is the biggest reason we don't do that. And second big reason is that we want to keep it pure, raw, spontaneous, impromptu. The moment we do some research about Deborah Conway or any other artist or the song, we have destroyed our purpose entirely. We have completely ruined our reaction already. Because when we know so much about the artist, what's their background, what genre they are, kind of songs they have made, anything about the song, or we go through the lyrics in depth before we start the reaction. If we do that kind of research, what's the use of us sitting and giving a reaction? Because we've already possibly have some preconceived notions and made up our mind about the song and the artist. And that will obviously be a deciding factor in how we analyze the music. So as counselors, we know very, very well that each case is different. There may be 10 people who come to us with the same problem or same issue. Let's say abuse, domestic abuse or violence. But each of those 10 people have a different case to share. And it's our job as a counselor to make sure that we give them that respect and we see it as a different case. One person may have been burned, literally burned, may have minor burns or even harsher burns inflicted upon them due to the domestic abuse or violence. But another person may have been threatened with a knife. So every case, although it is abuse, it's different. Same goes with music, and that's why we are got so much respect from the intellectual ones on YouTube, which are a very small bunch.
Yeah.
That's for sure. We
Small
know
size.
that because we know how it comes across in comments and even with patrons' interactions. We know there are very few people who are intellectually as aware of things and intellectually as well aware of how to word things as we are. So that's it for this one. Let's get started right away. Deborah Conway, hopefully you know what to expect from us, little bit what to expect from us, and it doesn't come as a shock to you if you don't like the song for whatever reason. That's how we are. We are honest. If we don't like it, we don't like it. You know, it's our taste, it's our reaction. If you have a problem with me not liking it, make your own reaction video and say how much you love Deborah Conway.
That's an easy
Or
solution.
if you have a problem with us liking the song, if you like it
And
a
you
lot,
don't like it.
and you don't like it personally, save us the time in the comments and make your own reaction video.
Why you
Say
don't like it.
Why you don't like Deborah Conway. That's what we do every single day of the year with every single song we listen to. Have some courtesy and also have the respect for people like us who do it ethically and with a lot of discipline, because there's no one else who does it quite the way we do on this platform, and for that matter any other platform as far as reactions go. Let's get started.
Way above, the clouds are black. They say it's gonna fall, but I haven't been keeping track. So now we're here in this cage. The Ferris wheel of love, my love, what a charade. It's been a long time, 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 a long time since anyone meant what they said. One step forward, two steps backward. I won't wrestle you, won't talk back. Three deep breaths, I'm still alive and brilliant. Turn around, be polite. I'm so sick of listening to your crap about the breasts you like. Look at me, I'm really strange. I'm not screaming like some jealous adolescent here in vain. It's been a long time, 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 a long time since anyone meant what they said. One step forward, two steps backward. I won't wrestle you, won't talk back. Three deep breaths, I'm still alive and brilliant. I say one step forward, two steps backward. I won't wrestle you, won't talk back. Three deep breaths, I'm still alive and brilliant. Can you hear the bells? So you got me on this ride. What was it, darling? What exactly did you have in mind? Ferris wheel, up and down. Is this some dumb metaphor to tell me you're not hanging round? It's been a long time, 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 a long time since anyone said what they meant.
of the movie Big Adolescence. Very mature content for an adolescent. If it's true what she said that she's an adolescent, very mature content and mature singing voice even for an adolescent. Reminds me a lot of an artist I heard only once in my life, Beth Hart.
That's hard.
Reminds me a lot of her, the way it is sung, the way the music went. Yeah, she's putting a point of view across. No matter what, I'm still standing. Reminds me of the Elton John song I heard, which he performed at the One World Together concert recently, held last month online. So reminded me of that song. I'm still standing. Na-na-na-na. So reminded me of that. It's kind of inspired by that in a weird way, or songs similar to that. What are your thoughts? I'm done.
It was mainly acoustic sound in the music and the way she sang it. But for me, the way she sang and she went about it, it sounded more like she singing a cover than having her own original song. Or she sounds more like a cover artist.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, the way the whole song is created, it sounds more like how on YouTube we have so many cover artists and they cover songs. It was more not owning what is happening over here. I'm not sure if actually this is her song or not, but it doesn't sound like one. But I think it should be hers because it says as a songwriter as well, Deborah Ann Conway. So I think it is her original song, but I would have liked some more authority and more confidence in the way it came across. It sounds more like so many cover artists that we have online.
Yeah, I
sing
agree.
like
I
that.
completely agree.
It's no disrespect to the cover artists that we have, but this is of that caliber and that quality. Yeah. Rest in the lyrics of the song, it was simple. She's talking about how in love people kind of fool, mislead and things like that. She is not going to be fooled and misled. The opposite person says is not cheating and is not going about. But maybe she has a good idea what he's up to and what she should be doing.
Yeah, reminds me of that old movie, I Love You Till I Die. Or
I love you
Till
to
Death.
death. I love
you to death.
Yeah. Yeah.
Joey's Pizza Guy.
Yeah. Joey. Yeah. So I don't know how many people may have watched it, but it's an old movie. Really
Yeah,
old.
maybe 1980 or before.
Yeah. So you like that? Yeah, exactly. She here is kind of protesting of all the lies that are being told to her.
Yeah.
That kind of a song.
That's it for this
Not
one.
bad.